Hi, wanna delete Safari history on the iPhone 16? Then open Safari app first, and here if you started a new page, you would see this book icon. So simply tap it and you'll be able to check your history during the day, month, year, and so on. So here you can also see this edit option. You can select one website and here delete it manually. Or you can go in the clear section and here you can select which time frame you wanna clear up. Last hour, today, and yesterday, or all history. Also, as for additional options, you can close all tabs by tapping on the switcher. So let's select today, for example, and then confirm by pressing this red button clear history. And now it clear up, so everything is gone. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.